8:49. Hey, you know what that means? 8:59, I should say. Dragon equals 59. You know what that means? If it's 8:59 in Canberra, it must be 4:59 in Wyoming. That's what I'm thinking. No. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, it would be. 4:59 p.m. It's still Friday in Wyoming, the 24th of May, 2019. Mountain Daylight Time. So it's nearly 5 p.m. So the time I worked out was 4:58, but I worked it out wrong. I was meant to add another 4 hours. So the time, yes. When I say I worked out the time, what did I work out? I did work out the time, and I did work it out wrong. Let me think. Okay, let's go to the doc that I did on Steamboat Giza. Yes, it has erupted on the 25th day of every month. This is the video I did last night. Yes, it does feature Satan. Wicked cloud, ascended sky, heaven. This is true. So I did read this last night. I went through this last night. Yeah, actually it was an hour ago, wasn't it? 7:58 was the time I worked out. 7:58. It would have been 7:58 in Australia. That's right. If it had erupted, if the steamboat had erupted at 3 in the afternoon. So that makes sense. 3:58 is nearly 4 p.m. So if it had been 3:58 in the afternoon, then the time would have been 7:58 in Australia, almost 8 a.m. So it would have all been over, in other words. It would have happened already. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Steamboat Giza. Now Jatan is 16 years old and he was born on the 6th. 16-year-old boy born on the 6th. There's another boy out there whose name has a value of 238. Young man, boy, you know what I mean. Fire is 38. Fire. And 149, that's one of the names that Jatan goes by, has a value of 149. Bad boy 49. Demon 51. Lad 17. Jake was born on the 17th. Jake is 40. Jake is 27. I jumped ahead, I think. 42 is the value of boy. Angel is 39. 39. Angel. Angel boy. Angel boy Jake. Born on the 17th. Angelic. Demon. Snake is 50. And eruption number 50 of Steamboat is coming soon. So it's 4 days, 1 hour, 39 minutes since Steamboat last erupted, right? You see? The next eruption, I finally did work it out right. It's the 25th of May. It's going to continue this pattern of going off on the 25th of the month. Over and over again. Ever since Christmas. 25th of February. January. 25th of February. 25th of March. 25th of December. January. February. March. April. And today is the 25th of May. And it's 9:03 a.m. And I worked it out eventually. Jatan was anticipating the eruption coming, and he gave me a clue to work out the time, not just the date, but the time. So it's today, it's the 25th. Papandayan equals 93. That's the volcano in Indonesia. I'll show you something weird, man. Yes, even weirder. It gets even weirder. Jake's life path number is 8. Old Faithful went off 8 minutes ago. The Old Faithful. And look how the beehive is coordinated with Steamboat. 41 minutes. 41 minutes, the value of brat. Brat is 41. Fuel is 44. Hope is 44. Christian man, 129. He's a Christian man, but he's not a fake Christian man. He's not a hypocrite. He's a real Christian man. They are very rare. Rarer than hen's teeth. The boy, 75. Deviant equals 75. He's a deviant. He's horny. Horny equals 80. Horny. Horny means full of sexual energy, as you'd expect, if his symbol is the Steamboat Geezer. Bad mirror boy, 140. He's a bad mirror boy. And what else? What else equals 75? Flexible. He's flexible, of course. Today's Saturday the 25th of May. And 505 in Wyoming. And this, actually, this is very strange, because 5 5s is what it's all about. 5 5s is 25, and that's today. It's not today yet in Wyoming. It's yesterday. Friday 24th of May 2019. It's still Friday the 24th. See? In Wyoming. Bad mirror boy. Age 16. 20 is a clue. 20 is a big clue. It's going to be 20 in Canberra today, because the year is going to be 2020, when Steamboat Geezer, no, not Steamboat Geezer, Mount Papandayan is going to erupt in Indonesia. I was going to try and warn people, but I don't think I can, because I went to Western Park and I got blocked. There's a boy there whose mum or dad is from Indonesia. I kind of had a feeling about it, and I was right. But then I got blocked by the boss. Bosses block you. They block you from doing anything that could warn people about something like a volcanic eruption. You know what's weird? So that's coming in 2020. What's in the news today? Oh, our great Prime Minister, great Scott, great Christian Scott, great fake Christian Scott. Why fake? Because God is love. God doesn't lock people up. Hey. I mean, they're not locked up, but, you know, refugees. Australia, the way it uses refugees is not nice. The Bali volcano, Madagung. 3 hours ago this was published. Some flights to and from Bali cancelled as Mount Agung erupts. Wow, check it out. So the 24th, for real, a reflection of Nathan Breeze's birthday. 97. What equals 97? I don't know. Symbolic is 98. Symbolic. I asked the Muslim boy, did he believe in symbolism? He said no. He just believes in God. Several flights to and from Bali's international airport have been destroyed. There was a boy at my work said, do you know what the D in God stands for? Eddie said, yeah. And spell dog backward you get God. That's in The Dark Tower by Stephen King. The Dark Tower, it could be a volcano erupting when you think about it. Yeah. Several flights have been cancelled. Do you know what the D in God stands for? The D stands for destroy. A boy at work told me that. And no, I don't believe in symbolism. I don't believe in psychic. I don't believe in any of that. I only believe in God. That's what the Muslim boy said. Sounds like a conservative. Scott Morrison is a conservative. But he's not as bad as Peter Dutton. By bad, I mean, you know, lacking in the empathy department. lacking in empathy. God is love. If anything claims to be God that's not love, it's fake. It's easy to tell the difference. Not hard. Not hard at all. Bad Mirror Boy. 140. The bad mirror boy loves himself. Bad love. Self-love. But at least it's love. It's better than being a hypocrite. At least he's honest. Jatan loves himself. Daniel and Samuel 135. Daniel and Samuel, the twins, in Red Rain by R.L. Stein. Daniel wants to rule the school. He's not very honest. He uses all kinds of tricks to get there, to get what he wants. 17. The bad mirror boy, aged 16, turning 17. He can't wait till he's 18, and he's allowed to look at erotic material for the first time ever, because he's so horny, but he's not allowed to look at anything. He has to wear a chastity belt, because he's a strict, good religious boy. Good religious boy as in, he follows all the rules of the religion. 14, 5, yeah. Dragon is 59. Snake is 50. And we're up to eruption number 50 of Steamboat Geyser. 147 is the value of my name. And Steamboat. So, some flights. Okay. Some flights have been cancelled because it erupted at 7:23. I noticed that because, well, Steamboat Geyser, its last eruption was at 15:23. That was on Monday, the 20th of May. So it last erupted 4 days, 1 hour, and 48 minutes ago. 4 days, 1 hour, and 48 minutes. So when the next eruption happens, what's the time going to be? It's 9:11 now. That's the number you call in America if there's an emergency. Saturday, the 25th is today. Yesterday was the 24th. Mount Agung erupted last night at 7:23. This eruption was at 3:23 in the afternoon on Monday, the 20th of May. Jake equals 27. Hot is 43. Bad is 7. Brat, 41. Satan. What equals 40? Pain equals 40. Pain. Blame is a pain, and that is the truth. That's in The Dark Tower by Stephen King. 8 o'clock on the 8th of May. 8 a.m. on the 8th of May. 8:44 p.m. on the 8th of April. And this was eruption number 44 of the current active phase. How does that grab you? And eruption number 5, the 5th time it's gone off on the 25th of the month. And it was 25 minutes past. 10. Yes. And that one was 17 days, 1 hour, 41 minutes. 17. Jake was born on the 17th. See what I mean? About weird. Daniel and Samuel, identical twins. Bad mirror boy, 140. He loves himself. At least he loves himself. At least he's not a hypocrite. 5:13. Nathan's life path number is 5, and his age is 13. And he was born on Friday, the 24th of November. A reflection of May. And what happened? A volcano goes off in Bali, Indonesia, again. So, good old Mount Agung, it keeps giving. It's the volcano that keeps giving. You know what's weird? 6. I kept saying 6 is a big thing. Why would 6 be a big thing? Well, we're wondering, is it going to be a 6th eruption on the 25th today? If it does happen, it's going to be 8:58 p.m. tonight. That's what I've calculated. Doesn't mean it's right, but that's what I've calculated. 8:58 Australian time, that is. That would be 4:58 a.m. in Wyoming. 4:58. So the Steamboat geyser, this would say 25th of May 2019, 0458. And the interval would be 4 days, 13 hours and 35 minutes. 35. Yeah, 4 days, 13 hours, 35 minutes. Yes, that would be right. If it was right. If it were true. If it were true. If I got it right. Eruption number 18 of 2019. Papandayan equals 93. 3 nines are 27. 3 nines. Hey, angel. Angel is 39. A reflection of 93. The value of Papandayan. 9 times 3 is 27. The value of Jake. 9, 18, 27. Demon, 51. Who is our demon boy? Satan. Sent to hell by God to burn for all of eternity. The angel and the demon. Hurricane Florence. Steamboat geyser. 4:58. That's the time. It's going to be 4:58 in Wyoming. 4:58 a.m. Volcano Papandayan has the same value. I can't tell anyone though, I can't warn anyone, because I got blocked. 6, the devil's number. Bad Mirror Boy, 140. Bad Mirror Boy. Devil, 52. Satan, 55. Maybe Satan's just had enough of all the hypocrites in this world. Just had enough of them. You couldn't really blame him. Not really. Athletic is 78. He is an athletic boy. 155 and 155. Twins. Yes, twins keep appearing. As you'd expect. On a day like this. 22 points to twins. Jake died on the 22nd. The month was October. The same value as Florence. Bad Samuel, 78. Yeah, I've already talked all this, haven't I? What's weird is the volcano. 12, 18, and 24. It's 9:16. Jatan's turning 17 on the 6th of the 9th. What's weird is the volcano on the 24th. 12, 18, 24 is today, Friday, the reflection of Nathan's birthday. Yeah, I've already talked about all this. 6. Jatan born on the 6th. Eruption number 18 coming today. 4:58 a.m. Saturday, 25th of May 2019. Yeah. Eruption number 1 was back here. Thursday, 15th of March. The last eruption, we looked at that. We looked at that one. That was on Monday. Jacob's bad hot snake was bad Nathan. Yes, number 50. It's going to be eruption number 50 of the current active phase. 12-18-24. 12-18-24. The sign for Mount Papandayan in 2020. The warning sign, 6s. 6s and 25s, I guess. 5-18. 3 6s are 18. We've had 5 eruptions on the 25th. What's that got to do with the bad boy? The twins, aged 16. 4:58 in the morning. Today. Wyoming. It's tomorrow, because it's still yesterday in Wyoming. It's still Friday, the 24th of May. Mount Agung hasn't even erupted yet in Wyoming. Do you know what I mean? Hasn't even happened yet, because it happened at 7:23. Ha! What's that doing to your brain, huh? Wamsuda, 5:19. The twins Daniel and Samuel in Red Rain by R.L. Stein. Their adoptive mother is Lee Sutter of Long Island. Don't forget about the hurricanes. Lorenzo, the Atlantic hurricane. 2 plus 4 is 6. Jatan was born on the 6th. Friday, the 6th of September. And Jatan guessed Lorenzo back in 2013. So if you add 6 years, 6 years to 2013, you land in 2019. Yeah, you do. And Lorenzo is back. And this time, he's not just going to be a tropical storm. Lorenzo, Kajiki is going to be a typhoon. Super typhoon, I do believe. And Kajiki, Japanese, means swordfish. 16. The word 16 has a value of 96. Steamboat equals 96. Alun Alun, the crater of Mount Papandayan in Indonesia. 2020. It's 5:20 a.m. in Wamsutter, Wyoming. Why didn't you warn us? I would have, I tried, but you just wouldn't listen. Conservatives won't listen to a gay guy. What kind of gift could he have? It must be the devil. 74. 74? Why did I say that? It's 24. Yesterday is the 24th. Today, if you're in Wyoming. 9 and 9. Nathan was one of 9 people who died at number 9 on Black Saturday. One of 9 who died at number 9. You can't see the steamboat. Daffodil is 57. 57. They're in sync. The beehive and the steamboat are synchronized now. They're synchronized. 24. 2 12s. The 12-year-old twins, Daniel and Samuel. 24. 25 is today. Where I am, it's the 25th. 12, the age of the twins, remember? Nathan is 58. Steam equals 58. Steam, the 25th. The 25th, no changes here. October equals 78, remember? And it's 5:22. Life path number 5, that's Nathan. 22, that's Jake, because he died on the 22nd. That's when he left this world. It's his number of the end. Do you know what the D in God stands for? It stands for destroy. The boy asked me. I said it stands for doomsday. He said, close. It's destroy. What is God going to destroy? Why can't I warn people? Because I'm a gay guy. Nathan would be 23. Life path number 5, he would be 23. Would be. He'd be turning 24 on the 24th of November. Would be, but he's not here because he died in a firestorm. Black Saturday. Bushfires. Firestorms. Near Melbourne. Kinglake West, near Melbourne, is where Nathan died. It's Saturday. Forecast issued at 5:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, 25th of May, 2019. 16. Jatan's age. 2 8s are 16. Jake's life path number is 8. Steamboat erupted on the 3rd and the 8th. It did. I'm not making it up. Boy is 42. The Dark Tower is 148. Dead equals 14. Dead. Jake Chambers was dead. The Dark Tower. Blaine equals 43. Blaine is a pain, and that is the truth. The Dark Tower makes me think of a castle but it could be an erupting volcano. Jake equals 27. Jake. Code. Red. By. Jake. 27. Eagle is 30. Boy, 42. Eagle boy, see? Eagle and boy. 42. 4 days, 2 hours since Steamboat erupted. 4 days and 2 hours and 1 minute. Okay. Call is, I said something the 3rd and the 8th. See? The 3rd and the 8th. It erupted on the 3rd of May and the 8th of May. The 8th of May at 8 AM. The 13th of May. Nathan died age 13, right? He was 13 years old. Flames equals 56. Flames. 2020. The warning for Mount Papandayan in 2020. 2020. 723. 723. The last eruption was at 723. This one went off at 7:23 PM. It hasn't even happened yet if you're in Wyoming, because in Wyoming it's not even that time yet. It's 5:25. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 times the Steamboat geyser has gone off on the 25th. 5 times in a row. You are so naughty. Jatan is aged 16 and Nathan would be aged 23 now. 23 plus 16 is 39. Kendall, we can catch up next Thursday at 1 PM. These were Jatan's words to me in my dream on Thursday, 25th of April 2019. Anzac Day, Remembrance Day. Was he pranking me or was he riddling me on Anzac Day morning? Jatan is turning Friday. He's turning Friday? Deary me. That sounds a bit of a worry. He's turning Friday. He's turning all Friday on us. Well, it is Friday, if you're in Wyoming. It did cross my mind that Steamboat might erupt on Friday. I thought it might. It could. I thought it made sense, but then I noticed this pattern of 25s. 3 9s are 27. Hey, that's sort of how I worked it out. From 39, the value of angel. It's in here somewhere. Reflections can drive you crazy, so I needed help. I needed help from a boy who, understands reflections. 527. Jake equals 27. Yes, Jake equals 27. Yes, there were eruptions on the 3rd and the 8th. Yes, Jatan is 16. Yes, he will be 19. Soon enough. Soon enough. 19, the best age. It says so in the intro to The Dark Tower by Stephen King. The Dark Tower, 148. 13. That's Jake's age by the end of the story. Twins of 157. It was Friday the 13th of June. Was it June? Yeah, it was June. Friday the 13th of June, 2008. I was reading The Dark Tower, and that's when I went to Sydney. 157, twins. 195 is a reflection of 159. 159 is Nathan David Breeze, age 13. 102, agonizing. Agonizing equals 102. Murderer, 102. Whipping equals 102. All of those things equal 102. And flogging equals 77. Flogging, whipping, 102. Christ is 77. So Jatan, he has a bit of Satan in him, and he has a bit of Jesus. A bit of both. I needed a clue or a riddle. Because, I needed a good clue. So Jatan gave me a clue. And that helped me work it out. The whole idea was to link the Steamboat geyser to Mount Papanzan, which last erupted in 2002. And so we did. We connected it. We joined the dots together. And we worked it out. 2 for twins, upside down. Thursday, where it could have been like, simply go the third day. On the third day he rose again. After his flogging and his crucifixion and all that stuff. He rose again. Could be that. Too easy. Yeah, too easy. Couldn't be that easy. Wetteling. It is actually simple. Wetteling. Weather child. It is simple. Angel is 39. Jake is an angel, and so is Nathan. Angels are helpers. Helpers. They want to help other people. So what is an angelic demon? Angelic demon. Now that is like a paradox. I suppose. It's a bit of a paradox. The 27th of the 4th, that's my birthday. April 27. See, 427. Steamboat geyser. It did erupt on my birthday too, twice. Twice it's erupted on my birthday. Historically. And it's 31 past 9. Which is like the value of Jacob. 31 is Jacob. And my birthday, 427. 919. 155. The 5 boy. See, 5 written out as a word equals 42. 1 equals 34. The word 1 has a value of 34. Jatan's life path number is 1. It erupted on my birthday. The triplet sign was on my birthday. That's how I found the Steamboat geyser. This eruption here was at 6:30 in the morning on my birthday. But it's not the first time it's gone off on my birthday. It erupted on my birthday in 2003 at 3:54 in the morning. 32 days, 2 hours and 22 minutes after the previous eruption. 26th of March. In 2002, we go back to the Mirror Boy stuff. Mirror Boy. So, Steamboat geyser. Reflections of the Mirror Boy. Lava is 36. Lava child. Angel, 39. Cain equals 23. Angel, 39. I am is 23. I am. Nathan's age. Who needs the Cain? Lustful. So the demon is lustful and horny. Horny and lustful. 149. One of the names Jatan goes by equals 149. A 16-year-old boy turning 17. He has to wear a chastity belt because he's very religious. And 199. Another name that Jatan goes by. Black Saturday, 138. If you displease God, he will destroy you, right? 138. Well, Nathan died believing that. He never got to see 17 as an age. He died believing God must hate him to do this to him, which is not a good way to die. 13. Nathan's age. But then on the other side, Nathan realized something. That is not God. That fear was not God. That fear was not Satan either. And those people who embraced climate change denial in the wake of Black Saturday, those people were not Christians. They were not Christians. They were fake. Where's Melbourne? So Nathan lived and died near Melbourne, a place called King Lake West. There's King Lake. And King Lake West is just to the west. It was the Kilmore East Fire. It was one of the very few firestorms in history that actually meets the true definition of firestorm scientifically. Caused by drought, which started in 2002. A little bit of rain coming. A little bit. A little bit. It seems our autumns and winters are getting drier. And drier. And drier. And it's getting to be a real dry old conversation in Australia. But still, people vote for the Conservatives. Over and over again. Almost as if they don't even think about it. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. Maybe people are just scared because they're in debt. And scared that the economy might go, you know, storm boy. What is it? Storm boy. The Storm Boy. Is it the Storm Boy? Yeah. The Storm Boy. Jake Wetterling is 160. The Storm Boy, 160. One of the names Jatan goes by, 199. And another one, 149. Black Saturday. Destroy. Horny, lustful. Is that the devil? Well, if Jatan's the devil, then yeah. I guess so. He's that age, you know. 1 p.m. That was his clue. 1 p.m. but you've got to add 39, the value of angel, to arrive at 4 a.m. on Saturday 25th of May 2019, which is tonight. It's tonight. Tonight at 4 a.m. Close enough. But close enough is not good enough. We have to get it exact. Angel, 39. Add 59, 58. 58. It becomes 4:58 a.m. Almost 5 a.m. Did I work it out right, Mirror Boy? Maybe you did, says Jatan. Maybe you did. The boy Nathan, the Steam Boy. 13 threes are 39. Angel, 39. Angelic Boy. Norris, Puntang, Papandayan, Demon Boy. 3 nines are 27. Jake, Jacob. Life path number 5 and 8. 85 days between their birthdays. Angels, twins. Nathan, Steam. Angels, twins. 85 days between their birthdays. Jake and Nathan. Nathan and Jake. Brat equals 41. Good equals 41. Good. Bad boy, 49. God, 26. Man, 28. Jake died on the 22nd. He was born on the 17th. Dead equals 14. 314. That's the value of Lorenzo, Kajiki, Ivo, Kiko, Octave. 5 storms that are yet to happen in 2019. Lorenzo, Kajiki, Ivo, Kiko, Octave. Have I said them all? Lorenzo, Kajiki, Ivo, Kiko, Octave. Yes, 5. That's it. 5. Octave means 8. Yes, Jake would have turned 18 exactly 85 days after Nathan was born. Twins. 6, 6 and 6 is 18. 6, 6 and 6 is 18. And that's why it's so weird. Not just the time. 20, 20, 20. Not just the time, but also the dates this month. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. Friday the 24th at 7:23. Jatan turning 18 on Sunday, 6th. Well, I got that wrong, didn't I? (2020). He was born in 2002, turning 18 in 2020. Maybe I should just leave it as a Freudian slip. Freudian. Angels. Angels who know about demons. Jatan was born on Friday, 6th of September 2002. 6/9/2002. 6/9/2002 equals 19. S equals 19. 1 plus 9 is 10. S for Satan. J for Josh, or Jesus, Joshua. There was no letter J back then, it was Joshua. Like Jake was Jacob. Jacob. 1 plus 0 is 1. Jatan's life path number is 1. Jatan's life path number is 1. Why have I got it twice? Why did I repeat it? I guess because Demas, it's meant to say Demas maybe? Don't know. We can catch up at next Thursday at 1 PM. Angel. Nathan. That's all you got to do. Take 1 PM, Thursday the 23rd of May, which is Thursday just gone, and just add it on. Add on the hours, and then the minutes. Did I say days then hours? It's hours then minutes. Yeah. So back here where I said days then hours, it's meant to be minutes. Hours then minutes. Where was that? Angels for days? Yeah. No. That's hours, man. Hours. See? And Nathan for minutes. Yeah. It's only details. Well, it's not really. But that is how I worked it out. Yeah, eventually you'll get it right. You might even get the math right. You might. But I wouldn't count my baby dragons. Well, okay, Jane, you're right. Might not get my English right either. But I've got the date and time right, I think. Mr. Holmes, are you being sarcastic? I think you are. Well, yeah. We've got that right. And we've fixed the other little thing that was slightly off. There's always mistakes, you know. Especially when you're dealing with dates and numbers and calculations and all this sort of stuff. Might as well fix this one as well, why not? Demas. Demas's, because there's no point saying the same thing twice. I don't think you'd have an S on the end of Demas's. Demas's life path number is 1. We can catch up next Thursday at 1 PM. 39 hours, 58 minutes. And that gives you the date. 1 day, 16 hours is what that equals. Roughly. Jatan is 16, so is Demas. The time of the 18th major steamboat eruption will be 4:58 AM. Mountain Daylight Time. Mountain Daylight Time. Wam Sutta. 5:44 is the time there now. 5:44 p.m. on Friday, 24th of May. Well, there you have it. Hope is 44. Fuel is 44. Fuel. Angel fuel. What is angel fuel? It's the lust of the demon. No way. It couldn't be. Boy is 42. 44. So where are we now? Casper. Casper the White Ghost. Getting ready to go float up in the sky. Okay. Does it really matter, dude? Well, yes and no. The time on the watch was 6:15. Hurricane Florence made landfall at 7:15. Daylight saving. That's the difference. Daylight saving. Landfall was an hour later than the time on the watch because of daylight saving. Friday equals 63. 6 3s are 18. 1 and 8 is 9. September is the 9th month. Turn 9 on its head and you get 6. As Jake Chambers says in The Dark Tower. No, actually. Is it Jake? Or is it Susanna? One of them. It's Susanna. Susanna says that. Jake uses some weather logic to work out that it might be June instead of September. The keystone date. They're trying to work out the keystone date. Have faith, Josh 10 9:45. Have faith, Josh 10 9:45. Jatan is 46. Jatan. Bad boy. Sign 49. The 25th. Today is the 25th. The 25th. Jake died on the 22nd. Boy. 22. 5 eruptions on the 25th. If there's another one today. Or tomorrow. If you're in Wyoming. It's tomorrow. It's still more than 6 hours away. And the eruption's at 4:58 a.m, remember? There were 6 eruptions of the Steamboat geyser in September 2018. True, there were. Steamboat. Bulb 37. Don't forget the eruption on the 26th of April 2002. And don't forget the next eruption, number 50, in the current active phase. Yeah, if we go back to September last year, there was much excitement. 6 times it erupted. It erupted at 11:21, 10:20. It erupted then at, so the 1st of September at 23:21, 11:21. Then the 7th of September at 10:20 p.m. a.m. And then the 12th of September at 4:23 a.m. And then the 17th of September at 9:36 a.m. And then the 24th of September at 5:18 a.m. And then the 30th of September at 6:54 p.m. So, 6 eruptions. Jake born on the 17th, Nathan born on the 24th, Eagle equals 30, date equals 30, the 12-year-old twins, bad equals 7, 12-year-old twins, Daniel and Samuel, and Jatan's life path number is 1. 6 eruptions. 4:2:24 minutes ago, Steamboat last erupted. It's the 24th in Wyoming. That is the current time, 5:48. Alun equals 48. The crater of Mount Papandayan is Alun. Sounds like twins, if you ask me. Devil, 52. Riddle, 52. 25, today's the 25th. 42, 25. Boy, 25. Today's the 25th. And it's 9:49 a.m. in Canberra. So Jatan born on Friday. Jacob and Nathan, also born on a Friday. 7 days in between their dates of birth. All this relates to the eruptions in September. 6 comes into it a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. And that's why, see, 2 3s are 6. 23 past 7. 2 3s are 6. The 12th, the 18th, and the 24th. That strikes me as really weird. Friday the 24th. Do you know what I mean? Lava child. The lava child. Cute bar boy sign. 4 plus 9 is 13. Age 13. Nathan. Cheerful, enthusiastic, volatile, fiery warrior. Those are the meanings of Nathan's last name, Breeze. A Welsh surname. Yes. 4:58 tonight. Steamboat Geyser in Wyoming. $27, Jake. 27, Jake. Eagle, 30. Face, 15. Brat, 41. Good, 41. Angel, Angel, 39. Eagle, 30. Love, 54. Love. God is love. If anyone's talking about anything else, they're full of crap. 123. 123. Look at me. Narcissus is 123. 6. The devil's number. 20. 123 is also the value of firestorm. Satan. Sent to hell for being a bad boy. Sent to hell by God to burn for all eternity. Isn't that what they say? Well, he has to be a hot boy by now. If he's been burning for all of eternity, he has to be a hot boy by now, you would think. Don't he? Yeah. Hopefully, Jatan's anticipation